$400 inflation relief payment. What you need to know. As inflation continues to put pressure on household budgets, the U.S. government is taking action to provide financial relief to eligible Americans. A one-time $400 inflation relief payment will be distributed by the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) to help offset the rising costs of basic necessities like food, housing, fuel, and medical care. Whether you're a worker, retiree, or someone relying on federal benefits, here's a comprehensive breakdown of what this payment means for you. How it works, who qualifies, and when you can expect to receive it. What is the $400 inflation relief payment? The $400 payment is a federally funded, one-time economic relief initiative designed to reduce the financial burden caused by continued inflation. Unlike traditional stimulus checks or tax refunds, this payment is flat rate. Everyone who qualifies will receive the same $400 amount. Automatic. There's no need to apply. Tax-free. You won't owe taxes on this payment. Non-disruptive. It won't interfere with federal benefits or tax refunds. The funding comes from a combination of budget surplus and inflation recovery allocations, approved as part of recent economic stabilization measures. How the payment will be issued. The IRS will use existing data from 2023 and early 2024 tax filings to determine eligibility and distribute the funds. If you've filed your taxes for 2023 and included valid banking or address information, you're likely already in line to receive the payment. Distribution methods. Direct deposit. If your most recent tax return includes valid banking information, the $400 will be deposited directly into your account. Paper check. If no banking info is available, the IRS will mail a check to the address listed on your latest tax return. Key features and benefits. No application required. Completely tax exempt. Won't delay your regular tax refund. Doesn't affect your eligibility for government aid programs. No repayment required. Available even if you don't usually file taxes in some cases. Who is eligible? Eligibility is based primarily on your 2023 tax return and certain income thresholds. You may qualify if you filed a 2023 federal income tax return, are a recipient of federal benefits such as Social Security SSDI, SSI, Medicaid, TANF, SNAP food stamps. Used the IRS non-filer tool for previous stimulus payments and your information is still up to date. Note: income limits have not been formally announced, but the payment is expected to prioritize low to moderate income individuals and families. Payment timeline. When will you get it? The IRS has released an estimated timeline for distribution. Direct deposits begin week of June 24, 2025. Paper checks mailed between July 1st and July 10, 2025. Deadline to update info. You can update your bank details or address through your IRS account or the Get My Payment tool until July 31, 2025. How to prepare. To make sure you receive your payment smoothly, file your 2023 tax return if you haven't already. Confirm your direct deposit info or mailing address is up to date with the IRS. Create or log in to your IRS online account to track payment status. Beware of scams. The IRS will not ask you for banking info via email, phone, or text. Impact on taxes and government assistance. The $400 inflation relief payment has been carefully structured to ensure that it will not negatively impact your financial or benefits situation. Not included in taxable income. Won't be counted toward income limits for benefits. Not repayable or deducted from future refunds. Whether you're on Social Security, receiving Medicaid, or collecting SNAP, this payment won't affect your existing or future aid. Frequently asked questions FAQ. Who qualifies for the $400 payment? Anyone who filed a federal tax return for 2023 and falls within certain income limits may be eligible. Non-filers who receive federal assistance could also qualify based on previous IRS records. When will I get the money? Direct deposits are expected to begin the week of June 24, 2025. Paper checks will be mailed between July 1st and July 10, 2025. Do I need to apply or sign up? No. The payment will be processed automatically using IRS records. There is no application, no form to fill out, and no fee. What if I didn't file taxes in 2023? You may still qualify if you received certain federal benefits or previously used the IRS non-filer tool. Check the IRS website for more details. Can I track my payment? Yes. You can log into your IRS online account or use the Get My Payment tool to monitor the status and delivery method of your relief payment. Final thoughts. The $400 inflation relief payment is a much-needed financial cushion for millions of Americans coping with the impact of rising living costs. While it's not a long-term solution, it offers immediate help without strings attached. To avoid delays or issues, make sure your tax return is filed. Keep your bank info current. Stay alert for official IRS updates. Be wary of scams or phishing attempts. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video so you never miss out on our latest updates. See you in the next video.